In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and test payment methods in WooCommerce. We'll go step by step through the process of enabling payment options, connecting payment providers, and making sure everything works correctly before your customers start using your store. This is an important part of your WooCommerce setup because your checkout experience needs to be clear, reliable, and easy to use. First, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of your store settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to WooCommerce, then Settings. From there, select the Payments tab. This section is where WooCommerce displays the payment methods that are currently available for your store. Take a moment to review the list of payment methods you see there. Depending on your setup, you may already have some basic options available. If needed, enable bank transfer, check payments, or cash on delivery. These built-in methods can be useful for certain businesses, especially if you want to offer offline or manual payment options. After enabling any of those methods, open each one and enter the required instructions and account details. This is very important because customers need clear directions on how to complete their payment. For example, if you're using bank transfer, the customer should know exactly what information to include when sending payment. Make sure the wording is easy to understand and matches your business process. If you want to accept online card payments or digital wallet options, install additional payment gateway plugins for providers like PayPal, Stripe, or others that fit your store. Once the plugin is installed, connect each provider using the required account or API credentials. Be careful here and make sure the connection is complete, because an incomplete setup can cause checkout errors or failed payments. Next, arrange the payment methods in the order customers should see them. This helps create a smoother checkout experience and lets you prioritize the options you most want people to use. For example, many stores place their fastest or most popular payment methods near the top. When everything looks correct, save the settings. Then open your store in a private browser window. This allows you to test the checkout process more accurately without interference from your admin session or stored browser data. Now place test orders using each payment option you've enabled. As you do this, pay attention to what the customer sees during checkout and after the order is submitted. Finally, confirm that orders and payment statuses appear correctly in WooCommerce. This last check helps you verify that your store is recording payments properly and that order management will run smoothly once you go live.